I am blue.
Hi, I'm green.
And we are the
And
color
And
we
we
squad.
are
are
the
the
cool
We're
color
just gonna
squad.
squad.
them, but we're gonna troll. So I'm just gonna wear my avatar. Like, yeah,
Your
don't make
skin
my
needs to be
avatar.
your color.
Uh,
Your skin
yeah.
needs to be your color.
Guys, we're gonna troll.
Guys,
Like, don't make my
guys, we
avatar
need a
on
mini
Facebook.
avatar.
Guys, I'm just gonna add you guys in the family. Like, I'm super laggy.
We're gonna rob.
Yes, I know.
Guys,
I just totally said.
guys, put like
Sharap, sharap,
guys
sharap.
put the green bow so we
Oh,
can know who
that's
are we.
family.
Oh, would you look at that, bro? I just put a black bow, but I'm already black, so it's so no need. Well, that thing will it help me.
Oh,
Bro, literally cute. Gonna be honest. I'm super
oh.
small.
I'm a body.
I'm super small. Guys, get ready your thingies. I'm just gonna get this
Wait,
and then
I need to be more mini.
guys, you don't need to add something else. You just need a simple avatar like mine. What happened to bro?
Why?
Wala. I mean, nothing.
I'm mini.
Well, bro, what kind of avatar is that, by the way? bro, you literally put
Wait,
Why?
Hoy, naharang mo ko.
English.
Hindi. Eh.
English.
Umiikot lang ako eh.
English.
Why don't you sit on it? Alo, ito ng ulo ko.
Hey, English.
My head is so big.
Yes. Bro, you just need a simple avatar like mine.
Bro, do I get... Yes, I got the mini avatar.
Yeah, you can usually get that.
I need the headless. Fake headless.
Well, bro,
There,
there's
I
literally
left
no more
one.
fake headless here. What do you mean?
No. Guys, how do I get y'all's body?
I don't know.
How do I get that? Play the music
Guys, just
on
wait,
it.
please.
Makikita. Bawal tayo mag-family.
English.
Makikita kasi. I don't care.
Um, you just literally just said I don't care, and that's it.
It needs to be our color.
Yeah, usually my color. Remember, my color is black. Like what do you
My
mean, bro?
color's blue. Let me grab blue.
Yes.
Let me get my green bow.
Then how? Then how am I gonna put mine?
Look,
How am I gonna put mine? I'm literally color black.
That's okay though. You don't need to change.
But I'm just gonna find the, you know,
guys, I'm done. I mean,
black bow. Yeah, like a blue.
Wait, I'm gonna grab mine.
Mhm. Mine is a little bit lighter, so you guys can see me. Oh wait, where am I?
Okay,
Hi,
I'm
this is
done.
me. This me, the bow.
This is me.
guys, I'm lagging so much.
Look, my bow's floating.
I'm
Yeah,
lagging so much.
but guys, can I not put mine because I'm literally small. I
Yes.
mean, I can totally put mine. Never minded. And I just need to save it. Save that thing, girl. Guys, let's go to
Okay. Bro
house.
saw us. Somebody saw us. Somebody saw us.
Guys, how about house 1?
Bro, the minions!
Guys, how about house 1?
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
House one. Oh.
guys,
We're
guys,
going
guys.
to
The owner is
spy.
here. The owner is here.
Wait, let's grab our things first.
I think the owner just see me.
I'm going to the back, guys. So
We
no
can
one
rob or
can.
spy, okay?
I'm not
I
a robber.
can't
I'm
get
just a killer.
inside. I can't get inside. Eh.
Wait, is that you?
Yes. Wait, let me do something.
I'm so laggy.
Then bring me inside. Grab your shopping cart. I'll give you one.
No need. Just
Yay! I got inside.
I can't get inside.
oh wait, I just see the
Don't
owner. I
worry,
see
I
the
bring
owner. I
you.
see the owner. Guys,
No.
warning! I see the owner. Or is it not
No.
the owner? Guys,
The owner's here. Oh no.
How
um,
dare you?
Bro,
Oh my
I'm
god,
hiding on
Pook!
the
Oh my
stairs,
god,
bro.
Pookies!
hey what?
Pookies, I'm gonna hide!
Guys,
Pookies!
I got inside. Where are you?
I'm hiding in the plant! and the owner,
Who's
and the
inside?
owner
Who's
done.
inside? Who's inside?
Me!
I see blue. I see green.
You're literally blue.
Bro, I'm stuck. Can you help me?
Literally, I'm gonna scream out.
I'm
Bro, the girl is pregnant!
hey,
Help me, bro.
I'm not
Can you,
here.
Black? Can you grab your shopping cart? Cause I can't get
I
out.
see black, he's glitching out.
I
Bro,
just
help
myself.
me.
I found the...
I'm just gonna.
Guys, I found the robbing thing, the safe.
Oops.
Yeah, I
Finally.
got the good. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Go to
Oh,
house two.
I think they're coming back. House
Go
2.
to house two.
That's true. I know where is the thing here. So yeah.
I think it's here.
Bro.
Okay. Oh my god, literally.
Literally bros AFK.
I can't get inside.
After, let's go to the next door.
Bruh, the door is open.
Guys,
Why
I'm
can't
gonna
we...
get the thingy. Then what house?
Okay, wait.
Guys, what?
Ang ganda mo pa din. Kahit na masungit ang kas ng dating. Kung naniting anak
What?
ka. Doon siya bumabawi. Oh.
Guys, where are you? That's why I add you guys at the family.
Ang
They will
ganda
see
mo
our
pa din.
They will see
Kahit na
us.
masungit.
Oh,
Okay.
they cannot see us.
Oh no, there's peoples, bro. Let's go to house 3, bro. House 3, house 3.
I'm already in house 3.
Oh, there's someone. Don't add us family.
There's a
No, bro, they
minion!
cannot even see us. The
They
family.
There's a
will see
minion!
They will see our tag.
But bro, they cannot even see our tag. When you are just added to the family, you cannot see the other players
Oy!
cannot see
Di
the
naman
Try to
other
tayo
help.
family.
kita! Oo nga, hindi naman kita.
Did somebody break?
Kasi hindi naman sila kasali sa family natin.
Oh, paano nila makikita? I mean, how are they gonna see our tags? But that's fine. I don't even like
Ito naman.
being a mean one.
Oh, si Bison, yung Bison, si Bison, yung tayo,
Oh,
si
add na
Bison.
ako sa family. Ikaw na. Ikaw kasi, mang-iilay. Saan niya ba?
Guys,
I'll
I'm
add
looking for the
Zoe.
kami.
I'll add back. I'll bad. Ayun.
Oh, si Bison, yung tayo, si Bison, yung tayo. Dito siya, guys, tago.
House
Punta
4.
kayo. Punta kayo sa house 4! bahay. Oh, the house is ugly.
Guys, you
The
need
house is
to
ugly.
press a button there.
The house is freaking ugly. Hide in the bush.
Bro's literally over to that scream.
Open. Yo, give me the money.
House
Yo, he
5.
didn't know the save was there.
Guys, house 5. I mean, not here at the house 5. Almost all of them are the same. Like, bro.
6. House 6.
House
House
6.
6.
I know where the bank is.
Me too. You mean safe?
Wait, I'll grab a flashlight.
Oh,
Get inside.
Ipasok mo ako. Yan.
I cannot get in. Guys, can you help me? Oh, no.
The owner is here. Yo.
See your box.
Yeah. Thank you very much, girl.
I'll just take.
Go to house 7.
Oh no! Oh no! I just broke heels.
Go to house. Go to house 9. Go
I'm
to
here.
house 9. Eh.
I'm here. First, let's put our prop in there.
Guys, I can't get inside. Oy.
Bro,
Doon tayo,
that was a
guys.
close
Go.
one. So,
Doon tayo, guys. Dito tayo, guys, sa house 12.
9. Ay, anong house 9? House 12 pala.
English. Alright. Alright.
English
Owners
pala.
are here.
Go.
The owners are here. Retreat. Retreat.
I'm going into the
At the backyard, right?
Yes, I'm going at the back.
For the backyard thing. Yo, not like that.
I know. Yo. I got inside.
Bro! You always get inside.
I totally get inside now. I wish the owner would see us. But I know they cannot
Can
see
you
us.
get in here? No.
Oh my god, you find me! You can't
know
get
what's
me,
the
girl.
I
You
know what's
can't
the
get me, girl. It's dark. You can't
Guys, I'll
get
just
me,
put
girl.
that stupid props in there.
Guys, let's put props. Random props.
Yes, you guys put the props there. I'm just gonna find another house.
I'm just gonna put trashes.
I know
House.
where's the
Oh
safe.
wait, not house 14.
I literally ruined the house.
Why is your laugh like that? Why? Like that? Like, did you guys even hear that?
Ang ganda pa din. Kahit na
I
masungit
got the
ang
money,
mukha.
I got the money, I got the money, I got the
I got the
money.
tae. Let's go to house.
Wait!
House
House 6! House 6! Hindi pa
Guys, we haven't do the house 2.
House 6!
We haven't do the house 2. So go.
So
let's go to house 2 first.
did I get it?
I'm already at the house 2.
I'm already in.
This look like a Japanese house.
I see somebody!
Guys, I'm here. Guys, I'm in house.
Oh, he's an angel. Why is he in the air?
Bro! Somebody's here.
Why is he not the air? Because he's an angel. If he's the angel, then why is he in heaven?
Guys, what house?
2.
Dong diggy 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 dong diggy 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 dong diggy 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 dong. Dong diggy diggy dong diggy diggy dong diggy dong. Ano unang panahon, di ka pwedeng umutot, Sinta.
Hey,
May tao din nandito, isa pang tao, pero di siya
Naka-AFK
nanood.
siya. Naka-AFK siya, guys. Nakapasok nga ako. Jelly Ace! Sino nakalasa ng Jelly Ace? Muntik na yun.
Parang dyan na siya.
Yo! Open the door! That is mine! I got inside. Literally. Yes, yes. I am so happy. I'm hiding in the washing machine. I literally rob it. I'm robbing it. Yeah, I got the money. Let's go to house tour.
I just
House
put it in.
15.
House 1, may bagong tao.
And this is the last round.
This
Guys,
will be
this
the
is a...
last. Ay, wag dito. Walang safe dito eh.
Guys,
Punta tayo sa house. Sa house 14.
I just said
Ay,
English.
pareho lang para punta tayo sa house. Sa land. Sa house 15.
Sim lang to, baliw.
Guys,
Sige, bye guys.
Bye, guys. Bye. And I'm going away. Lobots.
let me
Darling.
Guys, are we gonna end the video now or not?
And now.
Bye, guys. See you again next time. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
See you on the next
We are at
game.
and we are day 6 and today is day 5 and remember we are the color squad. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Laro kaya tayo hide and seek sa